Hello, Professor. This is Rosemont Tanjipin presenting Morse code app. So, first one contains initial screen with 3 buttons and your name in a text field. So, as you can see, I have 3 buttons: send, receive, about, create, and the text created by Rosemont Tanjipin, August 24, 2022. The next one contains a screen for each: send, receive, lookup, and about. So if you press this send button, we are going to send the activity screen. So it has input area for entering the text you want to transmit, and the lookup button to look up the Morse code if you are not sure. And receive button, we take you to the receive activity screen, which has an image view and the text. And about screen, it's about it has created by Rosemont Tanjipin, and it was from iTech 4550, and it is in August 2022, and the brief description of the Morse code. And lastly, in the send from the main screen, we are going to the send screen, and we are going to the lookup activity screen. And we have the Morse code well arranged, and these are all the screens. Contain send activity present with edit text field, transmit button, lookup button, and last lookup text field. So in the send screen, we have edit text, a transmit button, lookup button, and last lookup value. When we press the lookup button, we go here, and if you select one value for A and we go back, last lookup, the value A is displayed here in the send activity screen. Lookup activity captures a symbol Morse pair when tapped and passes it back to send activity via the up button. So as we can see, if we press the send button, we go to the send activity screen, and from the look, we click the lookup button. We are coming here to the Morse code, and we select one value like B, and you can go back, and the B is appeared here. So first of all, we are implemented this in the send activity send XML. This is the edit text for enter text live. So enter text live, it is the hint, and this is the button for transmit and button for lookup, and the event is on click, then the on click function is called, and the text view last lookup, it is right here, and in the activity send activity, we are implement on click button. So it is the on click for lookup button. When we press the lookup button, we are creating an indent with the lookup activity.class, and we start the activity with that indent and request code, which is 9 and 97, and we are opening the lookup Morse code screen. So it is this right here lookup activity dot class. And if we go to lookup activity dot class, in here, we've already enabled the back button, home button, that is right here in line number 24. Get support action bar dot set display home as up enabled true. That's why we have this home button here. And Morse click is in the lookup XML for each value like A, B, C. It is a text view. Okay, it is, let's say it is letters. It is this is a text view. This is the linear layout, and here is the A. So this line is a linear layout, and the text A is displayed in here, and the event, when we click the A value, the event is on click, and we are the value, the method corresponding to the event is Morse click, which is implemented in the lookup activity right here in line number 27. So when we click a text view A, B, C, or any value here, the Morse click function or method is called, and we come here and we get the text view, and we convert that view, whichever view coming here to text view, and we get the text. So we get A dot dash for A, B dash dash dash, B dot 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 for B, like that. And TV pick dot set text select Morse code selected in line number 31. It is right here. Select. If you select it to, this is the line number 31 is updating to dot dot dash dash dash. That is the line number 31. And the log Morse code is selected is updated. And right here is the button, back button is clicked. On clicking with back button, that is line number 39 case, Android r.id.home, we get the indent, and in the indent we put extra Morse code selected, Morse code selected. Morse code selected is in line number 30. It is the get text of the text view, each text view. These are all text views, A, B, C, D, and 1, 2, 3, and all the special symbols. And if whichever value selected is taken by line number 30, get text. So that value that is assigned to Morse code selected variable, and in the extra line number 41, the Morse code selected is assigned. And this is the custom thing we had to do. Set result okay, indent, finish, return true, and return super dot. That is the we had to do this for everything. Then we click here. We come back to the send activity. We come here in line number 31 on activity result. So this is the same thing. Request code equal request code and result code equal result. Okay. We are getting the string we put in the extras as the key Morse code selected. We are getting that value in Morse code selected variable, and we are assigning this one text view, last lookup, set text, last lookup, which is line number 35, last lookup, Morse code selected. That is that one. Send activity presents the value returned by lookup activity. Yeah, I already explained that, I think. Lookup activity. When we click here, we go here and we select a button. It comes in the text view, and we go back. that value is displayed in the send activity screen. So that is the logic behind it. Contains about screen with your image, your name, ITech 4550, date of creation and brief description text. So that would be, let's say, credits created by Rosmal Tangible, an image, and ITech 4550 and date of creation in August 2022 and a brief description. Provides a log statement each time a new code is tapped in the lookup activity. So we go to the lookup. It is the value is, if we look at the send activity or even in lookup activity, the tag is Morse code app. It is typed here. So we press enter. We get the Morse code app tag values, verbose messages, and we right here line number 32 log.v tag is Morse code app, that is coming here, and the message is Morse code selected is Morse code selected, which is coming from the text field, that is the values. So if I go to send and look up and I select understood, it is logged here. Morse code selected is understood. If I select 6, it is logged, the 6 is coming here. And if I select G, the G is coming here. So I think it works. So this is my app, and for attribution, professor provided the lookup activity XML, which is like 800 lines of code. It was really helpful. Thank you, professor, for that. Otherwise, it would take a lot of time and it is going to be really difficult. So special thanks for that. And this is my app. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much.